All right. So I see a lot of people doing Facebook Lives. And in the workshop that I'm in this weekend, we were challenged to do Facebook Lives. So what I did notice is a lot of people still have their cameras turned backwards. And so the words are reading backwards on their boards, on their shirts. If this is something that you would like to fix, I'm going to show you right now. So when you go into Facebook, I'm doing this on my phone. As you see, I'm recording my screen here. Then you're going to live video. So from live video, so you see me here, you're gonna go up. There is a upper left-hand corner, it is right now, with the wand. Press the wand. Then you come down to the right-hand corner. So I'm gonna show you this mindset thing in the back here. Then you go down to the right-hand corner and you're gonna hit the tools. With the tools, then you're going to go to the left hand corner. It's the vertical dark screen and a mirror, dark screen, light screen, and I click it, boom, and you see now my logo for my shirt is reading correctly and my mindset is reading correctly. So that's how you flip your screen before you do your Facebook Lives. I hope this helps. Peace.